In this video, I will show you how you can clone any website in few clicks without downloading any software or extension. Then I will show you how you can customize the downloaded website, and finally I will show you how you can upload the website on the server and make it live on the internet. Consider subscribe our channel. Our video provide exclusive and valuable information for free. I am Taslimul Hasan, a professional web designer and developer. So let's dive into the topic. So this is the website we are going to clone and customize as per our brand. So this website looks very beautiful and the design is very amazing. So we just need the website URL, and then we will go to the Google and type toolbar clone website, and then click on the first link and it will open this website. Now we just need to put the link, copy the link and put it here, and then select the type. So we can select the only first page, or we can select up to 50 pages of this website, and then just click here to download this website. So this website is start downloading. This tool is scraping the website files, website CSS, HTML files and the fonts and the images. Then it will compress the website and download on our computer, then we can access it. So we already downloaded this website on our computer. Then we are just going to our desktop and see the files. So I am just canceling it. This is the folder containing the website, so I just extract it with WinRAR. So after extracting, you will get the files on this folder. So just click on this index.html to see the website. So you can see the website looks like same as the reference website. Just look at the site. This is almost the same. The colors, the fonts and the images are also same. So just notice on the URL, this is our computer URL, the user my computer, and the folder name is download. And if you go back to this link, so this website is the original website and the downloaded website look like same. So now if you want to change the images and the titles, just copy the titles, just copy it and go to the folder again and open this HTML, index.html with notepad or any other editor you have on your computer, and then just type Ctrl F and put the content that you copied and find it. So you will find the responsible code where you can change the title and save it. I'm just removing it and saving it with new title. So I replace the title with New York Cleaning Service and now save it, and then go back to the browser again and reload this page. You will see the header has been changed. So this is how you can change the contents of this website. You can change the phone number, just copy this phone number. I am just not repeating it. By repeating this process, you can change all the contents of this website. Okay, now if you want to change the image, you can do that also. Just click on the right click and open this image on a new tab. Now copy the URL of this image and go back to the HTML code and type Ctrl F and find the URL from this HTML. Replace this URL with your new image URL, then the image will be replaced. So this is how you can easily download and customize any website templates for free. If you want to upload these website files on a web server, or if you want to create your own web server on your computer and show this website to your friend, just click on the left video. And if you want to clone any website using ChatGPT, click the right video. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.